once you've created your project, the most common next step is to upload the output of an external tool like Nessus, Nmap, or Burp to your project. But before you upload tool output for the first time, we are going to have to do just a little configuration. None of the external tools are standardized because that would make your life too easy. Instead, we're going to use the plugin manager to put the tool data into the correct Dradis fields, the rules engine to manipulate the data further, the validator options to make sure that your issues, evidence, and more are in the correct format for your report template, and we're going to learn about the command line upload option for debugging or just convenience. Let's start with the plugin manager.